John Tuilata, please? John Tuilata? Do I have the right phone number? Oh, I have the wrong phone number. May I ask who's speaking, please? This is Lauren down. I'm calling from a family local clinic. We're having something held at the Aloha Tower tomorrow, and it's where people have actually signed up to give away sperm for free, and you're on the list. I'm trying to reach a John Tuilata, and this is the phone number that was on the list that he signed up for.
Is that Hawaiian people? This is my Malaysian people.
No, this is actually an international. This is an international company that actually goes around the world just collecting free sperm from people who are willing to donate. It's actually an international company that just travels around the world, and we're willing to collect free sperm from people who are willing to donate for women who can't bear children or men who cannot bear children. And the name John Tuilata had shown up on our list, and they had actually put this number down. Oh, you don't know? Okay. Well, are you willing to come down to the Aloha Tower tomorrow? Yes, are you willing to come down to the Aloha Tower tomorrow to donate? Um, yes, we're just accepting free sperm, people are willing to donate. Well, if you come down to the Aloha Tower tomorrow, we'll actually give you a free presentation and give you brochures and whatnot so that you can have a better understanding, and that way you could actually participate and partake in this wonderful, wonderful exchange. Yes, it's actually called the Free Local Society of Love. Oh, okay. Well, if you're willing, we're open from the hours from 10 in the morning down to 6 at night, and I'm just getting everyone's names down on the list. If you'd like to put a name down, perhaps. Everything's free. Oh, you'll check. All right. Well, if you have any other friends that are willing to come, you can also tell them about it. All right. Thank you very much, sir. You've been very helpful. And if I'm sorry to bother you, but thank you so much for just participating. And would you like to put a name down? Can I have your name? It's the company is the Free Local International Society of Love.
Did you?
Is this yours?
No, I just hung up. Did you hear me? I was like, Uncle.
Here. Here's the number. Here's the number.
I was so stupid. I still don't understand.
All I heard was like, are you guys, is this for real? Are you guys playing
Are you
around?
guys playing around with this for real?
No, you know what?
Stupid.